market and Fabry in the bull run,
Bull.
because we're logging in the bull run, and in the, the bear run we shot his name.
What's this? Ooh. I think I actually did it the correct way. Oh, this is cheating. Now I'm cheating. Right. Start here. Get on the daily first. So it comes down. Something like this. Then it's lagging. I don't like this. I saw another one. Cycle lines. Okay. What's this? I have no idea. Okay, let's not use that. Okay, yeah, Ada. I'm not sure. I really cannot tell. So, no, we were not at Ada. We were Ata. Ata. Okay. So, okay, Ata. This actually looks like ETH. Do you see the pattern? Let me get ETH. Go on the daily. Oh, clean chart. So this pattern. And I also did.
Alex?
Yes. Yeah, it's the same as Cardano.
I didn't
What
have
was I
all
charting?
this.
Ada.
No, this is Ada. We're talking about
Yes, but
Ata.
yes,
Yeah,
I know, but I'm seeing the same thing. Look, I'm seeing the same thing. Look at this. So this is on the hour. Do you see that?
yeah. Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
So this is
Yeah.
connected to Ethereum and Cardano. So maybe that's why it's pumping, because it's not as correlated as the other coins to Bitcoin. Yeah. And let's see if what X is doing on a daily. I just started, so it's not making sense. Imagine if you would have longed here with leverage or something. Not that I advise you to do that, but you would have made in 1 month. Oh my! Is anybody seeing this or not?
Yeah. I would have 10x my portfolio, is what you're trying to tell me.
It's in one go,
I mean, like,
in 1 month.
I mean, if you
Which is
look
okay.
at Luna, if you look at
Luna?
Luna this morning from 7 o'clock, it just
Yeah, I
went cuckoo.
saw
I missed it. I was so upset.
I saw the numbers. Yeah, 10%.
I was so upset.
10% up in the last
Yeah,
few hours.
yeah. I wanted
So
to kick myself.
this long one, eh?
Yeah, it started at 7 o'clock.
Yeah. Oh, even more, 22%. Yeah, it actually started at night. Yeah.
Now I really want to cry.
This was the time I actually fell asleep at 4. Oh my god.
Yeah, all the big moves usually happen when I sleep.
Yeah, and I find that in my time zone, like, well, our time zone, at about 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock,
Yeah.
and 6 o'clock, there's huge pumps.
Yeah,
I mean,
Yeah.
if I sit up, I'll never go to sleep.
yeah. For me, it's
Yeah.
at 3, 4 a.m. 2,
Yeah.
3, 4 a.m. It just starts pumping.
I was thinking
So maybe a
the other day,
market opens. So let's see if
It's
a
yeah,
this.
market opens at that time.
I've
What market
I've done
opens?
it. I've done it with what coin was it? I think it was. I don't remember what it was, but I said, okay, I'm gonna put it at like 10% or 7% below, right? I put an order at like late, and I think it was about 11 o'clock before I went to sleep, and it took the order at about probably, I think it was 2 o'clock in the morning, and then when I woke up, it was just about to close, and I closed it myself because I saw a downtrend. It was just lucky. It was just that one was just luck. I was just testing.
Okay, I'm seeing Frankfurt and London opens. I think on
Frankfurt
a
in London.
yeah, the EU opens at this time and China closes. I think that's the way. Oh no, Hong Kong opens at midnight and closes at 6. So it's actually the Chinese market that start the pump,
Yeah, yeah.
and it gets taken over
And
by
then the
the
next, and
European
then the
market.
next one, and then the next one is
EU brings or something. I'm not sure what that is.
I need
EU
it.
brings. So I think
Bricks.
just Europe,
Yeah.
because above you will see Frankfurt and I think London.
Mm,
Yes, London, Frankfurt and London. So just
yeah.
Europe.
I need those. I need those time to see if we can. I can try and plan the trades.
You want to see the timestamps?
No, I'm just saying. I need to get this chart. I need to get the time zone starts.
Yeah,
Added to
I think you can just.
my trend view.
So these are the openings and closings of the market.
Every time, every time there's a pump or dump.
So 7, 6, 7 o'clock. Starts 5, 6, 7 o'clock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock.
Guys,
Well, let's, yeah.
BZRX is breaking out.
Which
Who?
one?
BZRX is breaking out.
BZRX.
Yeah.
What are these coins?
What do you,
How do you
I
know
have
these
no idea.
coins?
It's breaking out.
On the what 1 hour? Yeah, it's breaking out.
It's
Yeah, but
breaking out.
I'm not gonna long it or something. I'm just gonna chart it
No,
because
it's yeah. It can only be done by a scalper. You can long it
yeah,
from here to 2.4 or 2.5 because it's gonna come back down. 2.4 is actually achievable, but it's gonna come back down to retest. It's a risky play, but when this coin
so I'm not sure if anybody wants to take it, but
No, I don't have it on Femex anyway.
uh,
But how can you see it's breaking out?
she's
On the
reading the candles.
what time frame?
This for me is 1 hour.
Mm,
Say bye to Mark.
Do you know what we must make? I've got an idea. We need to make a list of coins that don't depend on BTC, a list of coins that depends on BTC, and a list of coins that depend on ETH. And then
Yes, we are actually already on it, but it's not
are
really.
you?
Yeah, but it's not really making progress because we are actually also quite busy with a lot of other things. But if you would like to take that upon you, that's great. You know, if you know a few coins out of the top of your head and write it down on a piece of paper and hand it over to Fabrizio. I mean, that would be great. Because I think ATA is one of the coins that is maybe because it's new, but
ATA and Luna.
Yeah, ATA, Luna, Axis, Alice.
There's a few more, I'm sure.
Somehow.
Lena.
Lena.
Yes.
What is Lena?
Lena also gaming.
How do I write Lena?
Lena is an amazing coin.
N-A. Yeah.
When Lena decides to run, it's an
runs.
amazing coin.
Look at that. Look at that run this morning.
I actually already grabbed. I already charted this. I think you once mentioned it.
And you charted it quite nicely because it's almost following it, right? I think the 3 and 4 is a bit off, but yeah.
Yeah. That's because I'm not using the GANFAM to map out the time zones and stuff like that. But.
Alex, I tried to do the GANFAM today by the pool, and God, it's amazing, but it's just all these colors. Is there a way I can do it in black and white?
Yes.
It's all these colors, and there's so much going on that.
Just take out the shadows.
Look, if you go to settings.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me just go to an actual chart here.
Just select anything.
So you just select the tool, you go to the settings, style, and you can actually mute all these levels. So if you're like, well, I don't want to see the large one, just turn it off. You can change colors. You can use one color, so you can actually just make everything black. And you can mute the background as well.
Okay.
See that?
Yeah, I think that would work for me. I was overwhelmed. I couldn't think. I couldn't chat anything.
Too many
seriously,
colors.
I was overwhelmed, but it's also just I'm like that. It's I'm a bit of a minimalist. It's even like with my home, if I have everything everywhere, I can't do anything. If I woke up in the morning and there was things everywhere, I just get overwhelmed and I will just leave everything. I can't do anything. Or it's even with food, like if somebody just gives me a plate of food and it's just full of food everywhere, I just lose my appetite.
Food everywhere, that's a blessing.
Yeah, but I don't know how to explain it. Like, so where I come from, in Africa, we, for example, like when we cook beef, you have these pieces of beef, or huge pieces of chicken or whatever. So if they just give me a plate of food and it just has all this meat all over it, people usually are so happy and excited, but then I just lose my appetite because the food is everywhere, and I'm just like, I don't know how to approach that.
Yeah,
So like,
Yeah, too many colors. I get you. I get you.
yeah, so like now Alex's chart now, if you told me, can you help me, you know, speculate where the price is going to go on that chart, I'm just going to go crazy. I'll throw the laptop away.
throw the laptop away.
Yeah, I'll get overwhelmed, or I'll just be like, you know, I can't do it. I have to go.
So is this hopium, or am I seeing a little trend reversal like this?
Possibly, yeah.
Because if you would connect the wicks and actually also the candles. So, oops, I wanna check something because it's actually just a circle, right? So if it's just a circle, I feel like somewhere this makes sense. Somehow it makes sense. But I need to find it. So you could do this. High, low. And I'm just hoping it goes up, but probably not.
Alex, when you chart, yeah,
Yeah.
avoid using that what is it called? The
Mindset.
trade thing, because it gives you so much hopium and then it just biases your thinking. So take it away and just
But I need to know, when I'm just going to get liquidated. I need to know. I listen, if I get this level here, I'm just selling because I'm in profit. I need to know. I mean, if I go to Binance, I just cannot, see. What's this? It's just a random chart.
yeah, but that's where it all starts, you know. This is just a random chart. Okay, this is 15 minutes. Oh, Alex,
What?
put it on the hour at least. The hell.
I can't look at the 3. I can't look at the 5. I can't look at the 15.
No, it's also that the time frames, these short time frames are
What
fucked up,
am I
guys.
supposed to see here? I want to see the
Guys,
price action.
BZRX is breaking. If anyone wants to scalp it, go
Yeah.
for it.
You see how many Bitcoin I have left? Nothing, because it's all in the trade.
Oh dear.
So which one is in profit? No. No. The only one that was an accident, that one is in profit. It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
I did 0
Yeah.
TA on this. 0. 0. The only thing what I did was I saw it retracing and I just waited. And then I saw a pump and I bought it.
With ATA.
Probably on the 3 minute. Yeah. Because we were talking about that I always spotted the top, right?
Yeah.
Because I got into, I don't know, Axis or something. Yes.
Yeah.
I got into Axis because Fabrizio said it was a good idea. But I think he already was, he entered here, of course. But then he said, I see a trend reversal.
Yeah.
And I'm seeing it too.
Yeah.
but the bigger one, you know. But okay, so
did
I
you
went
guys-
in
Did
and
you
said,
guys read the Axis game?
sorry?
What, did you read the actual game that Axis is, how it generates its sort of new
If he did
tokens?
research on it.
I didn't. I read some of the links and some of the stuff that Fab sent around. But
Yeah.
you know how you guys are sort of asking about what decouples from, say,
Yeah.
BTC or ETH. Axis
Yeah.
is like one of the ones that really is completely different.
Yeah, it also has a very different chart. It's a very crazy chart.
Because it's so the thing that I think Maria sent around about it's all to do with the amount of users. The
Yeah.
amount of users that they have playing the game automatically increases its price.
Yeah,
And
so
I tried to have a quick
the
little look,
more,
I couldn't see where she was
oh wait,
getting her
this is not
information
the,
from. She got it from a Discord group.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
so the more the game gets played, the more
Yeah,
worth.
effectively, it's so, which is almost why you can. And again, I don't particularly know the exact ins and outs, but I think there's the nuances of the game that change the price, and the people who are playing the game don't care. So not don't care, but don't immediately realize how they're affecting the price as we see it.
Yeah. Yeah, I haven't really
playing inside.
gotten
Playing
into
inside
it.
the different. Yeah, playing inside the game is different. It's I mean, because when you play the game, you actually earn XEs, and you can convert it to ETH if you want to at a later stage, because you get paid in X's, and you can actually sell as well and create X's and sell X's, and you get paid in X's. So you don't see the trading portion of that environment. You're only interested in the X's that you make, but at the end of the day, you can actually take it out and trade it or pull it out as cash.
Yeah.
It's quite interesting. The more players that play, the higher the platform is making and trading out X's.
I just want to go to the beginning.
But then you pay to play, right?
Yeah, I think you have to buy X's first. So I think your initial one is three.
But you also
three
earn to
X's.
play.
Yeah, so you buy 3 X's
Or
because it's
play
your
to earn.
initial.
Yeah.
And then after that you can actually start battling, and every win and stuff like that, you get X's, and your little character is more powerful and stuff like that.
But like,
So,
And the prices are insane. Also, the prices.
Like you're secretly
scary.
playing, aren't you? That's what you're doing when you're not trading.
no, I don't actually. I thought of starting.
you
but I didn't.
earn SLP crypto when you play that game.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't. But I haven't entered the gaming yet. No, I mean to get one XE is like
Actually, it's very
$300.
popular here in the Philippines.
Yeah. I mean, just for one XE, it's like $300.
Yes,
I mean,
yes. Right now, a decent team would cost you around $3,000 to $6,000.
Yeah, well, depends which one. Yeah, depends.
Yes,
which one.
yes.
You can buy a low one and get it upgraded slowly and stuff like that. But
Yes,
sorry, I'm
yes.
not gonna. I don't know.
People actually do pay this amount of money to play.
Yes. Yes, because you can earn you can earn minimum of 150 SLP per day.
What price is this?
Yeah, 150 SLP per day. That's the minimum. What is the cost of SLP per day?
Yeah,
But what is this
can
number
earn-
here?
Probably it's an error. But you can actually earn about between 50 $50 and $150 a day
Yes,
if you
yes.
play. But I was thinking that if I do play and I can earn $100 a day, if I trade, I can make it in a day. Really, if I trade every day.
There is a
More.
limit on how many times you can play per day.
Mm.
You have at around 20 energy per day.
And how much does 20 energy earn you?
What? It's allocated daily. The energy will recharge daily.
Yeah, but how much can it earn you? Minimum or maximum a
Minimum of
day?
150 SLP.
I can't.
In
One
dollars?
This finance, I can't.
No, no, not yet. I will convert it in dollars.
Let me go to the current price action because I'm actually in profit now.
Around minimum of $33 for the current
What?
price of SLP. $33. That's the
Seriously?
minimum.
That's not bad.
Yeah, yeah. Some players earned around. Wait, I'll check. Earned around $40 to $50 per day. That's the minimum because when you level up, you can also earn more SLP.
You know,
That's
in
why
some
the
Very
countries, well, in most countries, this is just a day, a day's salary. I mean, it's very good money.
yes, that's
You
for
earn your
example
salary.
in the Philippines, many players of Axie earn more than the professionals. That's why they are they keep on playing this right now. Many were
Exactly.
being addicted to this.
But is it a card game or is it like
Yes, yes.
Pokemon?
I knew some of my college friends. They were able to earn around $1,500 for around 20 days.
Wow.
Yeah, that's why they. But right now, it's really high to buy a decent team. So early adopters were the ones earning much.
Hmm. Okay. Interesting.
Yeah, but I think SLP will still I mean Axie will still go much higher, I think. Because the demand is very high, especially here in the Philippines.
Hmm.
Many they don't actually many people here don't care so much whether the price fluctuates as long as they earn SLP.
Well, I think it's a dream for most guys. Make money while you
Yes,
play.
yes, yes. Right now they are saying that if you are familiar with my DeFi pet, DPet, have you heard of that?
Can you repeat your question?
Are you familiar with my DeFi pet? DeFi
No.
pet.
The
Ah,
pipette, no.
DeFi, yes.
Oh, DeFi.
DeFi, yes, DeFi pet. Many
Mm.
many many players are saying that it might be the next Axie.
Mm.
So maybe you can check
I'll
it.
post it in the chat.
Which one was it?
Yep.
I'll chat it. I'll
Post it
chat
in the
it.
chat. Yeah,
Yeah, Dan,
because
please can you
we
just
might want
send
to
it?
research. Yeah, in the chat. He's going to send it
I
in the
need
chat.
to I need to 10x my portfolio.
Yeah, we all do. Yeah.
Actually, it's
If my
available
pet.
only in Pancake Swap, but many people are already buying it here, especially those Axie player.
So,
So
does anybody know this? Polka Play?
they haven't launched the play to earn feature, but from what they are saying, around this fourth quarter of the year, they will start uh, they will start that feature on that game. But you can already play it.
Hmm. Yeah, you can play it, but not buy it. I want to buy it.
Not oh yeah, yes, not yet, not yet.
Okay, so D-Pet. Let's go and
Please,
look.
I will share the website.
Okay.
These are the popular ones in the Philippines right now.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe you can check this. I'm still observing this one because I'm a bit late on Axie.
I'm always, I always want to know the team. If the team is not known, I'm not buying.
Yeah. Just be careful. Be careful on buying those coins. Just do your own research about it also.
Cordia chain.
Alex, did you get Bell or not?
A what?
Did you buy
What kind of
Bell?
bell? A bell?
I mean
Oh,
the coin.
Bell the coin. Yeah, I got Bell. I still have Bell.
Okay,
I
yeah.
mean,
So the
I
price
am
is
going to
starting
this
moving
area
up.
right here. I know about you, but I'm riding this wave. No, okay, I'm joking. But you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that's not correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4,
Can you
5.
stop looking at the 15 minutes, please? You're gonna
All
give me
right.
pressure.
Let's go to the 3.
I can't believe you.
So these holes mean what? There's not much volume.
I think there was no activity within that time. You're looking at the 3 minutes time frame, for Christ's sake.
For what? Pike?
For Christ's sake. Like,
Oh,
look at,
stop. Okay.
yeah,
But
look
this,
at
I cannot
one.
read anything here. What am I supposed to see? Other than it gets rejected. I want to see why it gets rejected.
Then go on the 4 hour.
4 hour. I see even less. Yeah.
Oh, God.
Okay. So I think, the pump might get up to here and then it's done. Okay. So that one is in profit. So that was a good call. Okay. This one was an accidentally good call. And I think this one is also in profit. Yeah. So if I exit all 3, Oh no, you gotta pay the fee, of course. Those bind. Those Binance dealers. Oh, it's coin. Coin. No, can't sell it yet. Okay, so what will we do, guys? I mean,
We
we
look
want to let
at
the trade
Bell
run. Bell. Okay, you want to look at Bell. Bell USDCT, USDT,
because of
USDT.
yeah, USDT. Yeah, I'd
Okay,
want
you
to
want to
know
look at
what you would
my
have done
analysis.
if you were me. Yeah, because I know that we have different approaches to the market.
So it's ending. If this would be an Elliott wave, I mean, it might not be.
This is on the 15 minutes.
Yes.
Because for me, I'm gonna
I'm going
send
to
you.
chart it like you do. Okay. I'm going to do what you taught me.
This is on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
No, first you start on the daily, Alex, because that's where the heaviest resistance is.
You actually trade on it there.
No, I draw my support and resistance on the
On the
daily
daily.
first.
I thought on the
Yeah.
4 hour.
Then I go to the 4
always
hour.
daily. Yeah.
And that's it. Because I find that the other small resistance, like 1 hour, they can be broken easily. Easily.
Mm.
The strongest one is the daily and the 4 hour. Alex, do you actually put a horizontal on every week?
Almost.
What?
But I don't use it.
Those are so many.
But that's what I'm saying. I'm not always using it, but these are ranges.
Yeah, but
Because what if you go on the 5-minute, Faith? You would see.
God.
You see that?
No, I really love clean charts, so I can't stand, line on line on line, because then I don't know what's gonna happen the next if everything is support and resistance.
Of course you know, but you know on the smaller time frame.
Okay.
This you can trade this move, that move, very precisely actually. But
This is
it's not your
why,
style. That's okay.
yeah, this is why I think for me in the bull run, the next bull run, I'm gonna
Okay.
be a money printing machine, because
Yeah, you are
the
will
four
long it
hour
all.
huh?
You will be a money printing machine because you will just long everything and then be
Because
happy.
I think my 4 hour, usually, like when I use the 4 hour to do analysis, 4 hour, then zoom into the 1 hour, I get very good results. As long as BTC is stable, I get really good results.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So these are the. Oh, I thought this was the daily. This is not the daily. Okay, this is the daily. I was like,
Daily
this is a
plus.
different chart, but I'll take it.
Yeah.
Okay, the wicks. Okay. So now we're gonna make a difference in the line, so we know later on
Yeah.
the 5 minutes if it's important or not. Okay? Okay. So the green is the 4-hour, the orange is the daily.
Okay.
Okay. You want to do the 1 hour as well?
And no, I don't actually usually do draw on the 1 hour. Not really. Because when I'm in a trade, I'm already seeing what's happening and I see how the price is reacting on the 1 hour. And then I can make a decision. But because like what I said, when I have too many lines, I just get overwhelmed and then I can't think straight.
Then you just draw boxes. So this was a bull trap. I'm not going to draw that. Mm, 15. So these are your trading ranges.
Yeah. Yeah.
So let's say you really, this is your, your target. Everything above is just dangerous because it could go long, short. You're not sure because it could be a bull trap and it could not be a bull trap. So I would say these are your ranges, your outer ranges. So let's say the daily ranges because I drew them on the orange lines. Okay.
Yeah.
Everything in between are your hourly ranges. And these are actually safe ranges to trade.
Yeah, I agree because the price will always retrace back no matter where you enter.
Yeah. In this area, you don't buy, you don't sell.
Where we are now.
Yeah, so this is a
Supply zone.
yeah, so you could if you think it will stay for a while in this area, you could sell here or short. When it comes
No, I
down, you could
actually
buy.
think it's gonna break.
Yeah, okay,
This
that's
is
fine, but I'm just saying.
yeah. Because also you see that it's been consolidating within that zone for a really long time.
Yeah,
Do you
that's
see
true.
that? So it didn't really go down below that zone. It didn't really go up much, but you see that it wanted to go up so many times. So this was one of the reasons why I actually did it, because I think it's gonna break this range because it hasn't
Mhm.
broken out yet. So Bell is
BTC
gonna break.
is dropping.
Fuck.
Hello. Okay, BTC is dropping, so I need to exit my trades.
Fuck.
What? Okay. Actually, I'm halfway, so that's a good thing. So this is Axis. Axis dropped when BTC dropped just now. So okay, Axis. I'm going to exit. Oh, I had to exit. Ata. Okay. No,
No, wait, guys, it's not that bad.
Ata will still go up. I have faith. This one, I'm not sure.
Fucking shit.
Um, no, this is 1, 2.
I can't believe this.
What?
No, this is why I'm just like crypto is way more complicated than stocks because with stocks, every stock is independent. God.
Yeah. Okay.
I have a feeling I'm going to tell my children one day and they'll just be like, why the hell were you doing that to yourself? When BTC is not king anymore.
Yeah.
Tired
I'm
of this
going
nonsense.
to I'm going to come up with a plan. So I don't know this price action. I only know this price action. And I just map it. Sorry. This is what I was looking for. Okay. And drag it down. Yeah. So it should go up, but I think it's dropping because it's losing momentum, it's losing strength. So probably do this. Let's see if my theory is correct. Then I will see you in a few days. What's the timestamp? Okay, 6th of August. That is in 3 days. No, I do not have the patience, but okay. Atta. I will go on the 5-minute time frame because I need to know what is going on. So, you know, this is not bearish. This is beautiful, but it could also go like this again. Okay, an axis. Okay, I'm going to exit my trade. Exit. I don't care. I am satisfied.
You're getting out of access?
Yes,
Okay.
I am satisfied. Oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong chart, I think. No, I'm not.
Not people can say they're satisfied, eh?
Okay, I think I'm confused. What? Huh? There's a very different price I'm seeing here. How can I refresh this? You can't. Okay. That was weird. Is it lagging?
For some reason, everything is lagging. Exchanges everywhere. It's
Is it?
crazy.
What was my buy-in?
Alex,
Yes.
so sorry to troll about this. Yeah, now I remember the other reason I chose to chart Bell was because
Mhm.
it's one of the coins that has actually had a healthy climb from the
Mhm.
bottom. Like it's had a very, when you go on the daily, you have 2 green candles, 1 red, a few green, 1 red. It's a very healthy climb.
Which one?
It just wasn't, 8,
Bell.
9, 10 green candles. Yeah, look at it on the daily. So then on the daily, if I am right, what's going to happen is that's the head. Do you see it? Yeah. Yeah. So, and then that's an inverted head and shoulders, possibly. Possibly.
This or
You
the
have,
whole thing.
yeah, the whole thing. You have it trying to create a head and shoulders pattern, an inverted one, and then breaking out of the range.
Mhm.
On the daily. So this was also my other reason for choosing Bell.
Well, that's one misformed head and shoulders. Then. This
It
was
did
a
what?
nice one. It looks so misformed. Oh, but
It looks miss what?
mis out of shape. Let's call it that way.
Yeah, possibly. But I think it's ready to break out of this range. It's been in a range a while.
Nah, this is a double bottom. Okay, we recognize the double bottom.
Yeah. And then you have this triangle that it's been in when you put it on the 4 hour, no, on the 1 hour actually.
You saw that?
Me and my triangles, I know. I hope I'll make it.
Exact.
So it broke out of this triangle. This was another. Yeah. So when you put it on the hour, it was
Yeah.
in a triangle. And then it broke out of the triangle and went up. So that was another confirmation for me on the 1 hour.
Yes, I
So
know.
what chat? What are you looking at, Alex?
Oh,
Bell. This is not Bell.
yes. I'm on the BTC.
God,
so
I was
funny.
so confused. Yeah, this is not Bell. Yeah, God. I was
Already
wondering
drew it.
why. Yeah, so now zoom
Oh.
into the day first. You will
Yeah.
see the head and shoulders I'm talking about. The inverted one.
Yes, the same ugly thing. Yeah.
Okay, cool. But yeah, since you're saying that, go to the, so you see on the hour, it's been in that range, and that range was actually a triangle. And it broke out and broke up out of that triangle.
Yeah.
So then you have the triangle, because that is acting also as your support. And then you have a support line at 1779 as well. So that means your chances of breaking 178, 1779 are very high.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it wants to break out of the range. So you see that in the triangle, it was a range, and it has come to the end, to the finish line of this range. So if it breaks out, your target should actually be 2.2, and this is my target. My first take profit is 1.9. My second take profit is 2.25.
1.9 and 2.9.
25. If it, you know, if it breaks 1.9, if it doesn't, then the trade is, we wait for the retest and see how it acts. But yeah.
So this will be the new. Okay. So I see what's going on.
So do you see why I chose the trade?
Yes, I see.
Cool.
So this was the acting range. Now the
Yeah.
next one will be until it breaks out.
Something like that, yeah. So this
Or
is
it will
what I
skip
see.
this area. I think it will skip this area.
I think it's gonna skip it.
Yeah.
I think I drew something after to show what I had in my head. Is breakout, retest, No. At before 1.9, we and then just shoot from 1.9 to yeah. But yeah, this is what I have in my head. So yeah, yeah, this is what I have in my head. So yeah,
Because this is Bell. So you
huh?
think I should not exit the trade of Bell? That's actually what you're saying.
Alex.
No, I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor.
Do your own research.
Okay.
I mean, of course, if BTC falls hard, you know, and breaks structure, I'm going to exit. But as of now, I'm still in Bell. I'm holding to see what's
I'm
gonna
I'm
happen.
staying in Axis as well.
Yeah. So until BTC has broken structure, I'm not
Yeah.
leaving.
So if BTC
The risk
has
reward is really good for me for Bell because it also has all this support on the 4 hour at 174 168. Just like I'm not gonna exit. Let me see what's gonna happen.
so funny. BTC is so losing strength.
Yeah,
Because
sadly.
if it had strength, it would already done this. But it's just falling.
I agree. Falling.
Who drew these things? I have no idea. Actually, this was the first thing I tried when you told me about the wigs and the ranges and stuff like that. Not that you're listening because you're chatting.
I'm listening.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Hit it. Get back down. Shoot back up.
Yeah. And isn't it amazing that I think for me, even when I'm drawing support and resistance, I will go back to the story, and see how the coin reacted to to know if that's really very strong or if it's a bit weak.
Yeah. Yeah. Actually, all these coins have most of them have the similar way up.
Yeah, it's better to
And
see.
they say it's correlated to Bitcoin, but I really think it's because you have these hedge funds who invest in a lot of stocks at the same time and have a lot of clients. So when they decide just to